Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to our channel, where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely, because let's be honest, your wallet deserves better than a bad purchase. Today, we're diving into the epic showdown between two gaming titans, the MSI gaming GeForce RTX 3060 and the XFX Speedster SWFT 319 Radeon RX 6800. First up, let's talk performance. The RTX 3060 boasts a GPU clock speed of 1710 MHz, making it a solid performer. Reviewers rave about its outstanding performance, efficient cooling, and impressive build quality. However, some users feel that the card's 12 GB of VRAM is more than they need, wishing they had opted for a higher-tier card like the 3060 Ti or 3070 Ti instead. In contrast, the RX 6800 takes the lead with a boost clock of up to 2105 MHz. Reviewers have noted that it provides smooth gameplay with high frame rates, especially in demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077 and Baldur's Gate. However, some users expressed concerns about it running warmer than desired. Overall, while the RTX 3060 is praised for its performance, the RX 6800 edges out in raw speed. Next, let's talk memory. The RTX 3060 comes with 12 GB of GDDR6, which many reviewers appreciate for its compatibility and value, especially for applications like AI processing. However, some users mentioned that it might not be necessary for their gaming needs. Meanwhile, the RX 6800 flexes with a whopping 16 GB of GDDR6, which reviewers believe enhances multitasking capabilities, making it ideal for gaming while streaming or performing. This extra memory means that if you're planning on running multiple applications simultaneously, the RX 6800 is the better choice. Alright, let's talk connectivity. The RTX 3060 comes with 3 DisplayPorts and 1 HDMI 2.1, which reviewers love for its versatility and multiple options for connecting displays. It's like having a Swiss Army knife in your gaming rig. On the other hand, the RX 6800 has a more straightforward connectivity setup, which some might find appealing for its simplicity. Reviewers note that while it may not offer as many options, it still provides solid performance for gaming and other uses. Ultimately, both cards have their strengths, but if flexibility is key, the RTX 3060 is the winner here. Now let's talk display resolution. Both the RTX 3060 and RX 6800 can handle a maximum resolution of 7680 by 4320. Reviewers for both cards have noted that they provide excellent image quality and performance at high resolutions, making them suitable for gamers looking to experience stunning visuals. It's a tie in this category as both cards deliver equally impressive performance at high resolutions, allowing you to enjoy your games in breathtaking detail. In summary, both the MSI gaming GeForce RTX 3060 and the XFX Speedster SWFT 319 Radeon RX 6800 have their unique strengths. The RTX 3060 shines in connectivity and is a reliable choice for gamers who want solid performance without needing the absolute latest tech. Meanwhile, the RX 6800 offers superior speed and memory, making it a powerhouse for multitasking and high-performance gaming. Both cards have received positive reviews, but your choice will depend on your specific needs and preferences. So after all that comparing, which one should you pick? If you want the speed demon with more memory, go with the RX $6,800. But if you're looking for a solid performer with multiple connectivity options, the RTX 3060 is still a fantastic choice. Ultimately, remember, the best graphics card is the one that fits your needs and your budget. So whether you're Team RTX or Team RX, just make sure you're having fun. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more hilarious comparisons, and leave a comment below telling us which graphics card gets your vote. Until next time, keep gaming smart and buying smarter.